Hey there, beach lovers and sun seekers. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Hotel Riu Tikida Dunas, a sparkling gem nestled along the golden shores of Agadir, Morocco. So grab your virtual sunglasses and let's explore this coastal paradise together. Let's start with the heart of any hotel experience, the rooms. Picture yourself stepping into a spacious oasis of comfort, where modern amenities meet Moroccan-inspired decor. The Hotel Riu Tikida Dunas boasts over 400 rooms, each designed to be your personal retreat after a day of sun-soaked adventures. While they don't offer fancy suite categories, their standard double rooms are anything but standard. These airy havens come equipped with all the essentials for a relaxing stay. We're talking air conditioning to keep you cool in that Moroccan heat, satellite TVs for your late-night movie marathons, and mini fridges to keep your drinks chilled. But here's where it gets exciting. Every room comes with its own balcony or terrace. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while gazing out at lush gardens or the endless expanse of the Atlantic Ocean. Now that's what I call waking up in style. The bathrooms are a particular highlight, featuring large walk-in showers that'll make you feel like you're at a spa every time you rinse off the sand. And let's not forget the all-important Wi-Fi, which is free throughout the hotel. Because let's face it, even in paradise, sometimes you need to check your emails, or more likely, post those envy-inducing beach pics on Instagram. Now, let's talk about something that's close to all our hearts, food. The Hotel Riu Tikida Dunas doesn't mess around when it comes to satisfy your taste buds. Their main buffet restaurant is like a culinary United Nations, serving up a smorgasbord of international dishes alongside local Moroccan delicacies. Picture yourself piling your plate high with fresh seafood caught just offshore, or watching skilled chefs whip up custom creations at the show cooking stations. But wait, there's more. For those nights when you're craving something a little different, the hotel offers 2 specialty restaurants. Fancy a trip to the Far East? The Asian restaurant will transport your taste buds with its sushi rolls and stir-fries. Or if you want to dive deeper into local flavors, the Moroccan restaurant serves up authentic tagines and couscous that'll have you considering a permanent move to Morocco. And let's not forget about the bars, because what's a beach vacation without a cocktail in hand? With several bars scattered throughout the resort, including poolside options, you're never far from a refreshing drink. Just imagine sipping on a minty mojito while watching the sun dip below the horizon. Now that's what I call all-inclusive heaven. Speaking of heaven, let's dive into the pools and beaches at this resort. If you're a water baby, you're in for a treat. The Hotel Riu Tikida Dunas boasts not 1, not 2, but 3 outdoor swimming pools. These aquatic playgrounds are perfect for everything from leisurely laps to splashy fun with the kids. And for those days when the sun is playing hide and seek, there's even an indoor pool to keep your swimming streak alive. But the real star of the show, that will be the hotel's prime beachfront location. Step out of the resort and onto a private stretch of Agadir's famous 10-kilometer sandy beach. The hotel provides sun loungers and umbrellas, so all you need to do is pick your perfect spot and settle in for a day of sun, sea, and sand. Want to add a little adventure to your beach day? Just chat with the friendly staff at the front desk, and they can hook you up with nearby water sports activities. Whether you fancy trying your hand at windsurfing or want to zoom across the waves on a jet ski, there's something for every level of thrill seeker. And when you're ready to cool off, just wade into the crystal clear waters of the Atlantic. With the gentle Moroccan sun warming your skin and the sound of waves in your ears, you might just forget what day it is. And isn't that what a perfect vacation is all about? But let's say you're in the mood for some action that doesn't involve getting wet. Well, the Hotel Riu Tikida Dunas has got you covered there too. For the fitness enthusiasts among us, there's a well-equipped gym where you can keep up with your workout routine. They've got all the standard equipment you need for a good cardio or strength training session. And if you prefer your exercise with a side of competition, why not challenge your travel buddy to a game of tennis on one of the hotel's courts? It's a great way to work up an appetite for that delicious buffet dinner. But the activities aren't all about breaking a sweat. The hotel also offers a range of daytime workshops for adults through their Riu Art program. Ever fancied trying your hand at painting or crafts? Well, now's your chance. And when the sun goes down, the entertainment kicks up a notch. From live music performances to dance shows, there's always something happening to keep you entertained into the evening hours. It's like having a front row seat to your own private festival every night. Now, let's talk about relaxation, because we all know that's a crucial part of any vacation. The Hotel Riu Tikida Dunas takes pampering seriously with its Ocean Wellness Center. This little slice of paradise is where you go when you want to truly unwind and forget about the world outside. Treat yourself to a soothing massage that'll work out all those knots you've been carrying around. Or why not try a traditional Moroccan hammam experience? It's like a steam bath on steroids, leaving you feeling cleansed and refreshed from head to toe. The spa also offers a range of beauty treatments, so you can emerge looking as good as you feel. Need a nude do for that fancy dinner? Hop into the hairdresser for a vacation-worthy style. And let's not forget about those hard-working hands and feet. Treat them to a mani-pedi while you're at it. The best part? You can enjoy all these treatments while gazing out at the stunning ocean views. It's relaxation with a side of inspiration. For those of you traveling with little ones, you'll be happy to know that the Hotel Riu Tikida Dunas is a kiddie paradise. The Riu Land Kids Club is like a vacation within a vacation for the younger set. With activities tailored for different age groups, from toddlers to teens, there's always something to keep the little ones entertained. They might be making new friends in the children's pool, letting their creativity run wild with arts and crafts, or competing in fun games organized by the enthusiastic staff. And for the older kids and teens, the Riu For You program offers cool activities that even the most discerning teenager will approve of. Think sports competitions, dance classes, and even DJ workshops. It's like a coolness factory. The best part? While the kids are having the time of their lives, parents can sneak off for some much-needed relaxation by the pool or at the spa. It's a win-win situation for the whole family. Now, let's step outside the hotel for a moment and explore the surrounding area. The Hotel Riu Tikida Dunas isn't just a great place to stay. It's also perfectly positioned for exploring the best of Agadir. Just a short walk or quick taxi ride away, you'll find the bustling Marina de Agadir. It's the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, some people watching, or maybe a bit of souvenir shopping. If you're in the mood for some local flavor, head to the Souk El Had Market. This sprawling marketplace is a feast for the senses, with stalls selling everything from spices and textiles to traditional Moroccan crafts. It's the perfect place to practice your haggling skills. For nature lovers, the Agadir Birds Valley Zoo is just a couple of kilometers away. It's a great spot to see some local wildlife and enjoy a peaceful walk. And if you're up for a bit of an adventure, why not take a trip to Tagazout Surf Village? About 20 kilometers away, it's a mecca for surf enthusiasts and beach lovers alike. Whether you're a pro on the waves or just want to watch the surfers do their thing, it's a great day trip. And let's not forget about Croca Park, just 7 kilometers from the hotel. It's a unique ecological park where you can see Nile crocodiles up close. If you're brave enough, that is. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.